I guess it's about the third or fourth video I'm doing about Parkinson's disease. This is the second time in a week I got a letter from Michael J. Fox. You know what it says? A world without Parkinson. Now, I did write an article on Parkinson found on my website. It was written in 2002, but I also made several videos about Parkinson. This is what my opinion Parkinson is and how it can be reversed. The amount of money required is, believe it or not, next to nothing. It's actually mostly bananas. Okay? So I'm saying to Michael J. Fox, we can heal Parkinson with bananas. So I'm kind of really, let me tell you what causes Parkinson, number one. Everything's based on love. Do you understand what I'm saying? Everything's based on love. You have 75 trillion cells working together in unison. They never, ever make a mistake. It means they love you so much. They love you in the morning. They love you in the nighttime. They love you in the evening. All 75 trillion cells love you beyond. The 70 cells able to talk, able to walk, able to move your hands. They'll do whatever it takes to make you happy. Whatever it takes. The body recognizes truth. The body recognizes lie. There is no gray area here. You know what it means? There is absolutely no gray here. So when you go in a supermarket and you look at those Doritos and you pick them and put in your cart and you go and you see there's cookies and then you see the bread and then you see the meat and then you see the chicken and then you see the fish, and if you're lucky you get to the produce section and you eat one apple. Now the body says, oh my gosh, what are you doing to me? It looks at the cookies, it looks at the Doritos, it looks at the bread, it looks at the cookies, and then you put it in your mouth. And when you're young, the body says, I don't like it, but I can handle it. Because we are basically designed not to ever get sick, ever. We are designed to be strong human beings from the date of birth to the date of death. We have all these things working in our favor, so we stay young. The body recognizes truth. The body recognizes lie. There's no gray area. The question is, what is the truth? What is the lie? What is the truth? What is the lie? In order for it to be a truth, it has to be 6 factors. If it doesn't have these 6 factors in a raw state, it's a lie. It's that simple. Fruit and vegetables are truth because it has 6 factors. Number 1, it has glucose. 85% of our body needs is based on glucose, not vegetables. 1 pound of vegetables equals 100 calories. I need to eat 22 pounds of vegetables a day in order to get my glucose amount, my calorie quota. It's not going to happen. That's why I eat mostly fruit, mostly bananas. Mostly fruit, mostly bananas. It has glucose, protein, vitamins and minerals, fatty acids, and water. I say maybe vitamins. As soon as you cook a food above 115 degrees, it's dead. There's no life force. It means the glucose is destroyed, the vitamins are destroyed, the fatty acids are destroyed, everything is destroyed. I say for example, name is Bill. And Bill's brain says, Bill, what are you doing to me? My friends, that's the cause of every disease out there. The body wants to be in a state of truth, it wants to be in a state of love at all times. So you're eating this death that you put inside your body from going to the supermarket too many times and not getting fruits and vegetables. You know what happens? The body says, oh my gosh, we'll say name Bill. Bill, I can't take it anymore. I don't want this food inside me. What's it going to do? What is it going to do? In Parkinson, what it does is shakes it off. Shakes it off. I don't want it. I don't want your cookies. I don't want your bread. I don't want your meat. I don't want it. I don't want it. I'm sick and tired of it. I'm sick and tired. I'm sorry. I'll do whatever I can to shake it off. You know what they call that? Parkinson. Guess who has an article about that? 5 days, went on a war fast. Guess what happened to it? His Parkinson disappeared. I have an article about that. Anyway, this is dedicated to Michael J. Fox. We're going to write a letter. He may believe it, may not believe it, may believe it, may not believe it, but right now he's requesting money. Here's your question, money. Requesting money. So what we're going to do is our interpretation. Keep in mind, I'm not a doctor, and I don't want anybody to believe me. This is my opinion. But we think a world without Parkinson is possible. So let's take a look at it. And it's a legacy, bananas. Which means we're going to show you that if you give bananas, Parkinson should go away. I don't know whether they'll do it, not do it. It doesn't really matter. I'm just saying my opinion. I'm basing my opinion on truth, on love, not on food the body does not want. Let's talk about what it says. What does it say? What are the best gift options for you? Okay, what gift options are the best for you? If it was me, anybody has Parkinson, if you want to send a foundation, I recommend bananas. You give bananas in the morning, you give bananas in the evening, you give bananas, give to anybody who has it. Let me eat a banana. Let me eat a banana. And if you die, your cousins, your friends, relatives give them bananas. That is pretty lasting. Next it says, charitable gift annuities. Get a banana farm. Are you serious? We'll start investing in banana farms so there'll be a continuation of bananas being given out there. Next, beneficiary designation. That means you're going to assign your grandkids, your relatives, all those people in charge of banana farms, so you can give anybody with Parkinson bananas. And by the way, bananas cost 30 cents a pound, maybe 70 cents a pound if it's organic and in a place. 70 cents a pound. I'm going to start right where I'm going to donate $5. That's could be like 20 days of food for somebody. Anyway, that's my answer to Michael J. Fox. That means the second time he wrote to me in a week's time. When I read the article before. Keep in mind, this is my opinion. I'm not a doctor, but everything's based on love. Bananas have all the qualities the body wants. Cooked food doesn't. Parkinson means the body's doing the best it can to get rid of what will harm it. Bye for now.